Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 7. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to install Google Chrome on Windows 7 and you're having trouble, you can open the Internet Explorer, which is built into Windows 7. And then once you have the Internet Explorer open, in the address bar, you can type the following address, which is www.google.com/Chrome. And then you can press enter. And that's going to take you to the Chrome downloads page. Now, as you can see here, it says the device won't receive updates because Google Chrome no longer supports your operating system. But it's fine, we can still install this version of Google Chrome. So just click on download Chrome. And then the download should start automatically. If it doesn't, just click on download Chrome manually. And then you can either click on run or save. I'm just going to click on run. And then click on run again, accept this prompt, and then it will start installing Google Chrome on Windows 7. And then once it's finished, Google Chrome will open automatically and you can get started and go through all of the normal setup wizards here. I'm just going to skip that and choose all of the default options. And then you can go ahead and use Google Chrome. Now, like this message says here, to get future Google Chrome updates, you can need Windows 10 or later, and I have a guide showing you how you can upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10, and I'll link that on the screen now. But if you found value out of this video, please click that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.